Hey guys, it's Mr. Schmidt here, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the first graph of the course, the production possibilities curve. So before we do that, we need to define this term economic model. So an economic model is a simplified representation of one or more economic concepts. So the topics we learn in this course can get pretty complicated if we don't simplify it down to the most basic parts. And that's what an economic model, or what I'm going to call in the course a graph, does. It holds some things constant, it keeps more of the complex ideas out of it, and allows us to just focus on those basic ideas we need to know to get a grasp of what the graph is trying to show us. And we're going to be doing a lot of different stuff with these graphs. Yes, drawing them. We're going to be moving things on them around. We're going to use them to analyze economic situations. And so knowing how to work with these graphs is going to be critical to your understanding of economics. Now, the first economic model that we're going to talk about in this course is the production possibilities curve, or PPC. Sometimes you see it called the production possibilities frontier, or PPF. So the production possibilities curve is an economic model that shows all the combinations of two goods that can be produced with a fixed amount of resources. And so what I want to do to wrap up this video is break down that definition. So first of all, it is an economic model. So it's a graph, right? We just talked about that in the previous slide. Next, it shows all the combinations of two goods. Now, we know any modern economy produces literally billions of different types of goods. But again, we're trying to simplify it down so we can understand these concepts without getting lost in the shuffle of the complexity. So, two goods, and then that can be produced with a fixed amount of resources. Now, again, businesses can change the amount of resources that they have at any one time. But by holding those amount of resources fixed, think of it like in science holding something constant so you can focus on the variable, in this case the changing amount of production of the two goods. Okay, so we keep the resources fixed, otherwise we could not draw this graph, and then we're analyzing what combinations of those two goods can this economy produce, and what does that tell us. So that's all for this video introducing the production possibilities curve. Until next time, have a great day.